Where does the name for Cerrig y Ddinas come from? So today I'm in Llangelynin in Conwy County, and this hill behind me is called Cerrig y Ddinas. Let's get into the name. So the name is made of three parts. First we have cerrig, which is the plural of carreg, which means a stone. So cerrig means stones. It's from the Proto-Celtic word carico, which meant stone too, and ultimately derives from a Proto-Indo-European word, cer, that meant hard. Then we have which means the, and then we have ddinas. The word ddinas has undergone soft mutation because it's a feminine noun, and the word comes before it, so the base form is dinas. In modern Welsh, it means a city, but in older forms of the language, it means a fortress, and usually a hill fort when it's used in place names. Cerrig y Ddinas is a hill fort, so it is appropriately named, but nobody really knows how old it is exactly. It seems to be Iron Age, which in Wales and the rest of Britain is between around 800 BC until when the Romans arrived in the 1st century. There are 4 irregular walls of stone on top of the peak that line up with the natural ridges in an almost square shape. The site is clearly of strategic value, and it can see up and down the Conwy Valley almost as far as Dolgarrog in the south and Llandudno and Gogarth, the Orme, to the north. It's quite possible it was associated with the Roundhouse cluster just to its south around Llangelynin Church, and might have been used defensively for settlers in the valley below to shelter in if neighbouring tribes came raiding. It's hard to know always exactly how and when and why people used hill forts, but I find that's part of what makes them so fascinating for me. I love theorising about their use when I'm out on my walks and trying to understand the logic that went into their construction, when they were built and why, and I really love it when their existence is recorded in the names of places. Let me know in the comments if you can think of any other examples from near you. I'd love to hear them. So the name literally means the stones of the hill fort, the rocks of the hill fort. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.